Okay, everybody. Hey, YouTube. So I'm making this video because I got this Ford truck, the King Ranch 2010 F150, and it gave me a wrench light and an oil canister light on the dash the other day, and it turned off on the side of the road, and we couldn't get it started. We kept trying to crank it, and finally it turned on. And we couldn't find out what the hell was wrong with it. Everybody was telling me the fuel drive module, fuel pump, because I put the fuel gauge on the fuel rail and it was giving me zero pressure, and the truck kept cranking over. I'm going to show you what it's doing, and then I'll show you what the hell is wrong with it. Well, let's go inside and let's try to start it so you can hear it. So that's what it sounds like. It sounds like it wants to start, right? And it doesn't. And after doing a lot of research and diagnosing and busting my head over this shit, I discovered this little fuse right here. See that? Right there. It was basically barbecued right there. You can pull that sucker out. That's what it looks like. And that's the other piece to it. You see it basically fell apart. So I cleaned it out with some with a little fowler that I had there, a little baby one that I use for RC cars. And now all I did is put another fuse in there. Of course I don't have the original one, but this shit works too. Same thing. So I put that bad boy in there, right? And let's get it started. And there it is. The damn thing started right up. Remember, it's this fuse basically right next to this lead from the battery. My fuse box looks like that, and it's right there. And this is a 2010 F150 5.4 3-valve engine. And the damn thing only has 100,000 miles on it. And everybody was saying it's the fuel pump, it's the fuel drive module. You know, a lot of these trucks, they run for a long time. You just gotta make sure the electrical stuff is 100. And I hope this video helps somebody else before they start spending all this money. Alright people, later.